Hello everyone, what you see running right now is our QCPACK cellophane machine BTB219. It adopts a touchscreen control system, super easy to operate, with fully adjustable parameters. Products will be smoothly delivered to the wrapping channel via the front feeding system. The whole process automatically finishes precious film dispensing, corner shaping, and heat sealing. The finished packages are neat and tidy, with premium results you can clearly see. This current customer manufactures here rigorous products per their personalized demand. This unit is upgraded with a single six-sided hot pressing function. It perfectly upgrades your package texture and visual appeal, adding huge premium value to your goods. We have focused on overwrapping packaging equipment for years. QCPACK is professional and trustworthy. All our machines support free on-site testing and fully customized production based on your needs.